Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that someone using artificial intelligence built in 6 months what took others 10 years to achieve. It sounds unbelievable, but it's happening right now. While many people fear AI will take their jobs, a growing number of entrepreneurs are using it to build businesses faster, reduce costs, and create new opportunities. The question isn't whether AI is changing the world. The question is whether you'll adapt, or be left behind. Artificial intelligence isn't a shortcut to instant wealth. But it is becoming one of the most powerful productivity tools ever created. Business owners are using it to automate repetitive tasks. Creators are producing content faster. Developers are building software in less time. And investors are analyzing information more efficiently. Those who learn how to use AI wisely may gain a significant advantage over those who ignore it. The biggest opportunity isn't AI itself. It's the problems AI helps solve. Successful entrepreneurs aren't becoming wealthy simply because they use AI. They're becoming wealthier because they use it to save time, improve efficiency, reduce operating costs, and deliver better products and services. In other words, AI is becoming a tool that helps people create more value, not a guarantee of success. And throughout history, those who consistently create value are often the ones who build lasting wealth. So, how are wealthy entrepreneurs actually using AI? First, they use AI to save time. Tasks that once took hours, like writing reports, researching markets, analyzing data, or drafting marketing content, can now be completed much faster. That gives them more time to focus on strategy and decision-making. Second, they use AI to scale their businesses. Instead of hiring large teams immediately, many businesses use AI to improve customer support, automate workflows, and increase productivity while keeping costs under control. Third, they use AI to discover new opportunities. AI can help analyze trends, organize information, and generate ideas that support better business decisions. It doesn't replace human judgment, but it can enhance it when used responsibly. The common thread is simple. They use AI as a tool to become more effective, not as a substitute for knowledge, experience, or critical thinking. One mistake many people make is believing AI will do all the work for them. It won't. AI can accelerate your progress, but it can't replace good judgment, discipline, creativity, or the ability to solve real problems. The people who benefit most from AI are those who combine technology with valuable human skills. If you're ready to put these ideas into action, download the Billionaire Wealth Blueprint. It walks you through the complete step-by-step system. The link is in the description and pinned comment. History has shown that every major technological shift creates new opportunities for those who are willing to learn and adapt. Artificial intelligence is no different. The biggest winners won't necessarily be the people with the most advanced technology, they'll be the people who know how to combine AI with creativity, sound judgment, problem solving, and continuous learning. AI isn't creating millionaires by itself. People are creating value with AI, and value is what builds long-term wealth. The question isn't whether AI will shape the future. The question is, how will you prepare for it? If you're serious about building wealth instead of simply earning an income, my guide, the Billionaire Wealth Blueprint, explores practical strategies for building multiple income streams, protecting your finances, and thinking more like long-term investors. You'll find the link in the description and profile bio. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Billionaire Index, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on wealth, investing, business strategy, and financial psychology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.